be reviewing this exit sign. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, as you can see here, this is the exit sign. There's not going to be too much to go over today since it's not one that's lit up with 120 volts or anything like that. But there's one cool thing about it. So, as you can see, I'm not in a normal place like I normally am. I'm in my current bedroom right now, where I have all my boards right now. I didn't feel like doing it on my board because it just didn't work out right. So I decided I want to put this up here, and I did actually put it on the top of another exit sign faceplate, as you can probably see under here. So I put it under a little faceplate and just put it up because I thought it looked cool. So this is made by Costco. Obviously it's plastic. No arrows, again, because it's not 120 volts. And yeah. So you're probably wondering, how the heck does this thing work in a life safety scenario where you need light? Well, when there's during the day, this thing will absorb the light from my main light in my bedroom. It'll absorb the light and then it'll glow once this shuts off. Once my light shuts off, it'll glow. Or when it's at night, it'll glow. It's not the best glow, but it's somewhat of a glow. And by the way, this is made by Costco. I got this for about $2 at Kmart on sale. So, yeah. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and test this unit. Unfortunately, at this part of the video, I had to take a picture of the sign because unfortunately my video camera could not catch the light glowing from it since it was such a dark room. So, sorry about that. Alright guys, I thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.